Meet John. He's studying for his medical exams, drowning in hundreds of pages of complex information. He reads the same paragraph 3 times, but nothing sticks. Highlighting, note-taking, flashcards, nothing seems to work. The information just disappears. Sound familiar? Studies show we forget up to 70% of what we learn within 24 hours. Notes pile up, screens overflow. It's not a lack of effort, it's information overload. For centuries, Greek philosophers and orators mastered knowledge through the art of the memory palace, placing every idea in a place of meaning and walking through it whenever they wished to remember. Welcome to Mindscape AI, an AI-powered spatial learning platform based on the ancient memory palace learning technique that transforms any PDF document into an immersive 3D memory palace. Built entirely on Google Cloud Run using Gemini 2.5, Imagen 4.0, and Lyria, this application makes learning more engaging and memorable through the ancient memory palace technique. Traditional learning from books and PDFs is passive and forgettable. Studies show that spatial memory techniques can improve retention by up to 40%. Memory Palace combines this proven technique with cutting-edge AI to create an active, immersive learning experience. Let's see it in action. I'll upload a PDF about biology. And here's our Memory Palace. Each concept is now a physical object positioned in this beautiful 3D environment. I can navigate freely, clicking and dragging to rotate, scrolling to zoom. The spatial positioning helps my brain create stronger memory associations. Memory Palace includes several powerful features. Real-time AI chat lets me ask questions about any concept and get instant answers from Gemini. Audio narration plays automatically when I select a concept, perfect for auditory learners. The collapsible music player provides ambient background music without distraction, and I can navigate through concepts in a structured learning path or explore freely. Everything is responsive, smooth, and designed for an optimal learning experience. The architecture is fully serverless on Google Cloud. 2 Cloud Run services handle the front end and back end, auto-scaling based on demand. Memory Palace demonstrates the power of combining Google Cloud Run with multiple AI services to create innovative, serverless applications. Try it yourself at the link shown on screen. Upload any PDF and experience spatial learning powered by AI. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy exploring your own Memory Palace.